Okay, this is Adam and I's mid-70s bass boat that we renovated, the Adventure. And now he has a tune and I have a speedboat, but we still have the Adventure. It's got batteries in here and we need to have chargers on them to keep it running. So I bought a couple of these and I'm going to hook them up so that it's always charged when we get on the water. So a couple things I love about this: it's very small, you can see it in the palm of my hand. It only does 1 amp charging, but that's okay when you're leaving it on the boat while you're not using it. I ripped off all of the warning labels, we don't need that. You have two choices: you can either use the clamps like this in starting, or you can wire it into the battery. So these rings are actually, I'm going to put these on the battery, and it comes with a quick connect plug. Now you may say, well, this isn't a marine. Yeah, you're right. This was only $15 at Walmart, and it has this plug on the end, standard 110 volt household plug. So I actually just bought this $3 extension cord, 12 foot. You can see right there on the wall. That's where it's going to plug in, and so this will just, when the boat's sitting here, we'll plug it in the wall, and when it's not, we'll just tuck it away where the battery is. It's worked really well on my boat. And this little thing, we'll just attach it to the one of the bulkheads and put these rings on the battery, and it'll work great. So I got the first one hooked up. One of the things I like about this is it's got these 3 LEDs right here. The yellow one means it's charging. The middle one here means it's charged, and this one is a warning if you have it backwards. And I actually hooked the charger up backwards to one of the batteries last year and reverse charged it, so it was minus 12 volts. So we had to switch it around when we got to the lake and use it backwards. But here now I have a little warning LED if I put it on. But it just sits really nicely under the terminal, and this one I had to put on top of the terminal because the gold didn't touch the battery well. And so yeah, just super simple. And then I just have to route this wire, and then I'll probably mount this piece, out of the way. Yeah, probably just something simple like that. It can't get wet. It can't have water pouring on it, but so maybe I'll even zip tie it up under here. It didn't have these ring terminals in it. It just has the clamps. So I'm going to put the clamps on like this for now. I'll probably zip tie them to the battery cable so they don't come off, but until I buy ring terminals that I can put on the battery terminals. But that's it. This extension cord has 3 plugs in it, so just plug it in like that, and it just runs over to the wall. And then you can see here both have the charging light on. There, they're just zip tied up out of the way. They can't get splashed.